So there's three things you've got to do with a stem leaf diagram. The first one is fill in the numbers into the stem leaf diagram. Second one is to order them, and the third one is to make sure you write a key. So basics of stem leaf diagrams is your tens, and sometimes units, but on this one tens, will go here. So that 8 there stands for 80, 90, and then 100 and 110. So when we have this number here, this 100, it's 10 tens with 0 units. And we can cross that one out now. Now we've got to order them, so I'm going to pick the smallest number on this list, which is 80, and a 0 goes here to show that it's 8 tens, which the 8 here shows, and 0 units. Then the next smallest, let's have a look, I think it's 84. So the 4 goes there. You don't write 84, you just write the units. Then 6 goes there. I think that's 80's done, so 92 would be the next one. 95, and I think we're done. 103, 104, 108, and then 118 I think is the last one. Now I always just count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 in my stem and leaf, and there's 10 in the question, so chances are I've got that right. Now I've only got a couple of the marks so far because I haven't done my key. Now I always pick the first value here to use in my key, but it doesn't matter, you can pick any value. And some students always ask me, well, why do we need a key? Because it's always going to be 8 line 0 equals 80, for example. Well, actually, we do a different type of stem leaf diagram where, say, 2 line 1 or whatever equals 2.1 rather than 21. So we do the key to show whether we're using decimals or whether we're just using what we have in this stem and leaf diagram.